Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So this is King Voorhees, starter pack and motor vlogs. So medyo late akong nakapag video ngayon, yung araw lang na to. I've been very busy the entire day. Um, and at the same time, I haven't checked onto my YouTube channel for the entire day then as well. So alam mo yun, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung content ko. But here's the thing. Um, may naging progress naman ako when it comes to logistics. Ayan, logistics. Which means to say, magre-release ako or basically magpapagawa ako ng magiging sticker ko. Ayan. Magkakaroon tayo ng sticker for the starter pack and motor vlogs, mga ka-starter. So, abangan natin yan. Hindi lang ako sure kung kailan ko pwedeng i-release yung itsura ng sticker para at least aware kayo. So, but any case na of course, konti pa lang naman yung subscriber ko. So, mabigyan ko rin yung iba. Okay? And para sa mga kakilala kong subscribers, of course, bibigyan ko kayo for sure. Kung accessible kayo sa akin, then, why not? Bibigyan ko kayo definitely. And then, I would like to thank then, to thank you yung, gumawa ng na design ng sticker ko. So, iano ko yung YouTube channel niya, pati yung TikTok link niya sa comment section. Check nyo na lang doon. If ever na gusto nyo magpagawa ng mga designs or what or any kinds of edits, pwede nyo kunin yung service niya. Okay? Siyempre, hindi yun for free. May bayad yan. Okay? So, wala nang free nowadays. So, anyway, so bukod doon, ang siguro na-check ko lang sa YouTube channel ko kasi hindi ko malaw yung subscribers ko. So, wala akong subs and that's okay. Again, di ba tulad nga ng sabi ko lagi, hindi natin habol ang subscribers or even the views. And that's okay. May mga times talaga na tutumal, ganyan. May times talaga na wala. Anong gagawin natin? Of course, hindi. Of course, wala tayong magagawa doon. Mag-focus tayo dun sa kaya nating kontrolin or kaya nating gawin, which is maging consistent sa pag-post ng videos. And like I always say, 'di ba, kahit na late na, it's never too late. If you wanna start, then start today, not tomorrow. Yun lagi kung ko na yan, mantra ko na yan, kasabihan ko na yan, at hindi na yan mababago. It's better to be late rather than not do anything or not being there. 'Di ba? So, dun pa lang, it makes perfect sense already. Okay? What else? Tomorrow din, magiging busy din ako kasi it's gonna be yung 40 days kasi ng cousin ko na who passed. Kaya magiging busy din ako. And at the same time, working on to some external stuff kay Pyro. Kaya nagiging busy din ako. But, papakita ko sa inyo yung before and after. So, para at least ma-appreciate ninyo yung naging improvement ni Pyro. Okay? And then, medyo dadagdagan ko yung yung magiging moto vlogs ko because I'll be busy. Like I said, I'll be traveling back and forth, going to some places. So, isasama ko yung sa vlog ko para at least may input ako for the moto vlog. Okay? And then, mag-i-introduce din ako ng mga places na mga pinupuntahan ko, tinatambayan ko, ganyan. Somewhere down that road. Abangan nyo na lang yung susunod na video ko for that, okay? So, yun lang naman mga ka-starter. Very short lang to kasi gusto ko lang din kayong kamustahin. And gusto ko pa rin kayong i-motivate na no matter how tough, how challenging your life is, your day is, just keep on going. Just always give yourself reason to get back up. Okay? Kapag ka natalisod, guys, tayo ka ulit. Start from scratch. Walang masama mag-umpisa ulit. Oo, nakakapagod siya. Ganun talaga ang buhay, nakakapagod. And alam natin yan. Sa nararanasan natin yon with, with the price increases, system. Lahat talaga mapapagod, lahat may exhaust, lahat tatama rin. But what else can we do? The only thing that we can control is we need to survive. Tama? So, with that being said, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo and there's no room for us to stop. Okay? Again, ang motivation, it's always two-way. Kung hindi mo makuha sa family mo, which I doubt, kunin mo sa mga friends mo, those people na nagbibigay sa'yo ng positivity, lahat ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo nagbibigay ng positivity, dun ka mag-focus. Ignore mo na muna, set aside mo muna yung mga negative. Why? Because it's just gonna pull you down, one way or the other. Okay? Okay ba tayo mga ka-starter? So, yun lang naman, wala na akong gustong idagdag. Like I said, yung nag-design ng aking magiging sticker, ano ko sa comment section. Kung gusto niyo magpagawa ng mga stickers or any kinds of designs or edits, magaling siyang gumawa. So, check niyo lang sa comment section. So, yun lang naman mga ka-starter. So, thank you so much for tuning in. Sobrang maiksi lang to. Again, our mantra, it's never too late to start. If you want to start today, not tomorrow. Okay, yun lang naman mga ka-starter. So may have a pleasant evening. Booyah!